Good morning! It's only 8:10. Say hi, Zeb. Good morning. Yay! Ay, grabe. Nagising ako ng alas 3. Tapos hindi ako nakatulog kagad. 5:30 na. I found myself online shopping. Pero for lipstick. Basta I'm gonna share. Hey. No. I'm gonna share with you once I received it. At saka, kasi tatlo yung in-order ko. I want more colors. Super mura lang siya. Kaya, grabe, hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko. Kaya, I'm excited! Yeah. Mommy so excited. Yeah. I can't wait to share with you. Although, I'm not sure kung meron nagbebenta nun sa Pinas. Pero, yeah. I'm definitely gonna buy one for the giveaway. Nasabi ko na. I'm gonna do a giveaway because you know why? Pero hindi pa ngayon. Pagbalik ko ng Pinas kasi ang mahal ng shipping di ba? Parang pagbalik ko na lang. Pero we are gonna celebrate. Today marks my first year of vlogging. Woohoo! Slow clap. Who would have thought na makakaisang taon ako mag-vlog? Hindi ko akalain yun. Grabe, I started when Zeb was 3 months old. And now he's 15 months. Grabe. Daddy! Can you congratulate me? Today marks my first year in vlogging. 1 year na. Diba you're gonna sponsor a giveaway? Diba you're gonna sponsor a giveaway? Pero sabi ko, pagbalik ko na sa Pinas, kasi mahal yung shipping. So, para magko-collect na ako paunti-unti ng mga things na pwedeng isama sa giveaway. So, medyo maghintay nga lang kayo. Mga bandang August pa yun. So, yun. I'm so happy. Grabe, hindi ko akalain maka 1 year ako. Tanda ko pa dun sa first vlog ko. Sabi ko, hindi ko mapapromise na magagawa ko to everyday kasi ganyan. Pero nagawa ko naman siya everyday. I didn't skip it 1 day. Never. Kahit na parang wala ako sa mood that day or what. Nakakapag-vlog ako at napag-edit ako. Ay, grabe. So, this is the 365th episode. And it deserves a new opening. So, we're gonna try to film later. We're going to East Coast, right, Daddy? So, punta kami sa East Coast kung saan na kami unang nag-vlog din. Mag-insert nga ako dito ng clip from our first vlog. Awkward pa ako nun Anyway, so yeah, good morning. See you guys later. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Zeb. We're going to KFC for dinner, for breakfast. Let's go. Kanina makulimlim, ngayon maaraw na ulit. Yay! Here's our usual breakfast. Lugaw, blueberry pancake. Then is eating the egg. You like it? No. Ayan po tayo. Kasama. Gotcha. Want to sit down? Hi, guys. We're back home. It's almost 11 o'clock and Zeb is gonna nap. Si Daddy. Dapat kaming lahat pupunta sa grocery kaso di na kaya. Likutan ni Zeb ay maupo sa stroller. Buhat-buhat ni Daddy. So, umuwi muna kami. So, umalis siya ulit kasi wala nang gatas ang bata. Ha? Wala nang milk. So, si daddy is gonna buy milk. And then, we're all gonna take a nap. We're tired. Then, we're gonna eat. Tinatanong ko siya kung ano gusto niyang lutuin ko at ibilin niya sa grocery para magluto na ako. Sabi niya, wag na daw. Kain na lang kami daw sa labas. So, yeah. We'll see you guys later. Okay, sleep na. Mommy's gonna sing. You are the song playing so softly in my mind. I reach for you. You seem so near, yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me someday. I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Or am I dreaming? How can I? Each time I try, you say goodbye. You are there. You look my way. I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there. Excuse me, mommy's singing. To love you so. You are my soul. Nimindot na. Sige na. Hi! It's time for lunch. Wala pa kami mga ligo-ligo. Halos, nagising kami mga 1 o'clock from our nap. So, yeah. Ito pa nakabawi. Grabing init. Oh my goodness, ha? Okay. So, may payo naman kami yung dala. So, let's go. I'm still craving for, ayam penyet. Kasi yung kahapon, parang nabitin ako na hindi ako masyado satisfied. So, try namin kung meron, kung open pa yung isa dyan. Sa tapat ng I-12. We will go. Sana hindi ako mabigo. So, again, kahapon medyo maano yung vlog ko, mahina, no? Ayam penyet. Ayam is chicken. And penyet means smashed. So, smashed chicken. Ewan ko bakit yung tawag nila. Tapos yung masarap dun yung parang crunchy bits on top. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung chili. Super duper hang. Pero, yeah. Yeah. Daddy. Okay. So, balik ulit kami dito sa kagabi. Nasap kinain na kahapon dahil wala na rin yung sa isa nagsara na. Pato ko yung menu. Wait. Yun yung ayam kanya. Ready grill. Next. Okay. Okay, so, Nintendo Express. It's Daddy's turn to eat. Kaya kami naman ni Zeba magpe-play. Grabe. Salitan kami ni Daddy. Hey, come on. Where do you wanna go? Hi. Do you wanna be like Juliana? Ganito yung stroller ni Juliana. Yes. Tapos ito yung twins nila Judy.
Which one you like? This one or this one? This one or this one?
Do you wanna be like Juliana? So cute. This is 1-1. Dito pala yung 1-1. Hi! We bought this one for Zeb kanina before we go color a mat. So, ayan. Sample. And ayan, para kay Zeb. Tapos, you also buy this separately. This is, Melisine dog. Siya, washable. So, pwedeng, recycle. Iniisip namin, kapag kakain kami sa labas, dadalhin namin to para meron siyang pagkabisihan. Pero, it looks like he's not interested. Is it a fail, Zeb? Yeah, it's a fail. Ano ba yan? Sila yung color, laro-laruin. Sige na, Zeb. Let's color na. Look at mommy, oh. Oh, look. Oh, mommy's coloring. How about you? Wow! Good job! Not quite, pero okay na rin. Makalat lang yung mga shavings, eh. Yay! Take a bath na tayo. It's 3:20. We're gonna take a bath and then later we're gonna go to the playground. Yay! Hi guys, I feel so gothic today. We're going to East Coast na, to the playground. It's 5 o'clock. So maya sana wala na yung araw. Super init today. I don't know why. Maybe because it's summer? Okay. Wait, si Daddy. Hey Daddy.
No.
Smile. Smile na yan. May nag-comment kasi bakit daw mukhang masungit si Daddy. Hindi siya masungit. Shy lang. Oh, mag-smile ka na kasi. Deb! Hi! Say hi! Sabay nakangiti ka na, ha? Let's walk. Yan na tignan ng araw. Pero hindi masarap sa pakiramdam. We are here at the beach. East Coast Park. Dito rin kami nagsimula mag-vlog. Daddy, may kuha ka rin last year na ganyan kapalitan. Ay, yun nga, actually nag-improve na si Daddy. Kasi dati, ayaw niyan magpasama sa vlog. At least nga ngayon, nakakausap na sa vlog yan. Dati ayaw magpa-video. Yan, ganyan din kuha niya last year from the back. So, we are on the way to the playground. Dami tao because it's Sunday. Daddy! Daddy! Zeb! Daddy! Smile ka naman. Smile. Ang hirap magpapul kay Zeb. Buti na lang. Hindi kami pumunta dito na dalawa lang kami ni Dad. Dalawa lang kami ni Zeb. Kailangan dito si Dad. Hindi ko kaya habulin. Tapos nasisikip ng spaces. Ang sakit sa tiyan. Anyway. Nahilig ako. Okay, let's go. Okay, my turn. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Dito naman din sa cafe. Meron sila din cafe. And yung entrance merong kasamang free coffee and tea. Pero hindi nakakain dito tayo na. Hi guys, malapit na kami sa amin. It's siguro mga 8:40 na. Hindi na ako naka-vlog. After namin dun sa playground, kumain kami. And yun, sobrang busog sa akin dyan ko. And si Zeb, ito, wait. Bagsak. Wala pong nga tong 5 minutes after naming inupo dyan. Ayun, tulog. Pero syempre, pupunasan pa yan and all pag-uwi. So, baka magising. So, yeah. See you at home. Ang init. Hi! As expected, nagising ang bata. But, we're trying to put him back to sleep na. Hi, Daddy. Oo. Bata sleeping. Can you sleep? Yay! It was a weekend well spent. Thanks, Daddy. Smile. Don't be masungit. Smile, Zeb. It was a fun family weekend. Yes, and happy anniversary to us, Daddy. Happy anniversary. Huh? You've been on YouTube for 1 whole year. Aray ko naman. Zeb Gavin, you're a YouTube baby. Yeah, shut up, mommy. So yeah, we're gonna say good night, and tomorrow it's back to normal. Hindi ka papasok, Daddy. Uh-oh.
No.
So yun, see you guys tomorrow, and ay, hindi, wait lang. Before I end this vlog, ito ha.
Sit down here.
Magtapatan tayo. Yes. Kagabi, I was looking at my channel. Kasi, di ba, may analytics yon pagka nag-YouTube ka. May, records. And nakita ko, yung sunod-sunod na vlogs ko for the past week, lahat may dislike. Pero isa lang naman. Kumbaga, kasi makikita mo yung range. Ngayon, pag kinlik mo yung likes and dislikes, ang ibibigay sa'yo yung for the past 30 days. Pero hindi super updated. Siguro delayed ng mga 3 days. So, yung kahapon, hanggang May 14 lang yung nakikita ko. Tapos, lahat ng vlogs ko for the past week, lahat may dislike. Pero, tapos, makikita mo din doon kung yung mga nag-dislike is nakasubscribe sa'yo or hindi. So, obviously, kagabi, when I looked at it, I had 22 dislikes for yung 30 days range na yun. May 22 dislike, 1 doon ay subscriber, and then 21 hindi nakasubscribe. So, hindi ka naman nakasubscribe, bakit ka nagpupunta sa channel? Tapos, magdi-dislike ka. Feeling ko lang, I have this gut feeling na isang tao lang yun. Kasi talagang parang serial disliker ka ba? Punta ka lang para mag-dislike? Bakit? Siyempre, mas nangingibabaw naman out of 400 plus naman yung mga likes, tas 22 dislikes. So, malaki yung difference. Pero, ayoko magpa-bother, pero nakaka-intriga. More on nakaka-intriga. Bakit? Bakit ka nagdi-dislike? Kung may problema ka, sabihin mo sa akin. Okay? PM mo ako. Pwede sa Facebook. Pwede dyan sa YouTube. Instagram. Ano problema? Bakit hindi dislike? Pero okay lang. Sige. Dagdag views. Kasi hindi ka na makadislike kung hindi ka papasok sa video ko eh. So, ayun. Pero syempre, kung merong needs improvement, just let me know. 1 year na ngayon. So, kung meron kayong gustong makitang anything, changes, or whatever, let me know. Tonight, I'm gonna try to change na yung aming opening. I'm gonna make it shorter. So, kung makakuha ko ng matino mga footages na yung mga clips namin ng ano, I'm gonna change it tonight. And yeah, yun lang. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching once again. Happy first year. Zeb, say happy first year. Dead ma. Daddy, good night. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
For 1 year.
1 year.
Parang ano lang. Anyway, so yun. Bye guys!